how to scan TikTok QR codes. You can do it directly from the TikTok app. First, open the TikTok app. Tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. From the menu, tap My QR Code. You'll now see your TikTok QR code. At the top right corner, tap the scanner icon. This will open your phone's camera. Point the camera at the TikTok QR code you want to scan. Once the QR code is recognized, TikTok will open the associated profile or link. That's it. You can now quickly scan TikTok QR codes directly from the app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.